back. So finally we have reached the final exercise of polynomials, right? A sigh of big relief, right? Isn't it? It's been quite an interesting chapter, right? I really enjoyed delivering these lectures. I really enjoyed, running through the exercises, right? Mathematics is very, very interesting, I'm telling you. It is not difficult. All we have to do is, put some discipline in our learnings, right? Make sure we develop an interest, a passion for mathematics. Then it becomes very, very easy, right? That much I can guarantee you. Even if you're aiming for IITs, see, mathematics JEE paper, if you prepare well, you can crack it, I'm telling you, right? So this is one paper that can really boost your marks, right? So let's create or develop that passion for mathematics. Let's get cracking. Okay, so this is the final exercise. The first question is, use suitable identities to find the following products. See, we have learned about a lot of identities, right? X plus a into x plus b, x plus 1 into x minus 1, or x plus a into x minus a, which is of the form x squared minus a squared, a plus b the whole square. Okay, all those identities we have learned. So using suitable identities, we will have to find the product of the factors given. See, x plus 4 into x plus 10 is, of the form x plus a into x plus b. So it is equal to x squared plus a plus b into x plus ab. Okay, so use these identities. Instead of ab, substitute the values given in the question and solve it. Okay. The second one is evaluate the following products without multiplying directly. So again, you have been asked to use identities. See, the first question is 103 into 107. See, 103 can be written as 100 plus 3. 107 can be written as 100 plus 7. So it is of the form 100 plus 3 into 100 plus 7, which is equivalent to x plus a into x plus b. Apply the identity, you will get the answer. Third question is, factorize the following using appropriate identities. Now, they have asked you to use identities to factorize the following. 9x squared plus 6xy plus y square. So 9x squared is nothing but 3x the whole square. 6xy is 2 into 3x into y plus y square. So this is of the form a plus b the whole square. So you can write 3x plus y the whole square. Okay. So similarly, you solve the other questions based on the identities. So these are all the identities that you have learned only. Pretty straightforward, not difficult. Expand each of the following using suitable identities. X plus 2y plus 4z the whole square. So this is similar to x plus y plus z the whole square. Okay. So refer to that identity and then you expand it, right, based on the identity. All other questions are pretty much straightforward, where you have to apply the identities. Okay, you try out these questions. In case if you have any difficulties, write to us. Fifth question is, factorize 4x squared plus 9y squared plus 16z squared plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. So you have to factorize this. Okay. Now, so basically again, you will have to apply the appropriate identity, right? See, if you actually recollect, we have this identity called, x plus y plus z into, right? X squared plus y squared plus z squared. I'll tell you. Here it is, right? X plus y plus z into x squared plus y squared plus z squared minus xy minus yz minus zx, right? So you will have to apply this identity and make sure that you are factorizing it. The second question is also very similar, where you have to apply the identity and solve it. Write the following cubes in expanded form. 2x plus 1 the whole cube. X plus 1 the whole cube, So you write it in the expanded form. Evaluate the following using suitable identities. 99 cube. 99 cube is 100 minus 1 the whole cube. Now apply the identity. Again, the eighth one is factorize each of the following. Using identities, you have to factorize. The first one is 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a squared b plus 6ab squared. You basically look into the the cube related identities and apply the appropriate identity. You will be able to factorize it. Ninth one is x cube plus y cube is equal to verify x cube plus y cube equal to x plus y into x squared minus xy plus y squared. Just multiply it, finally you will get x cube plus y cube. 10th question is factorize each of the following. 27y cube plus 125z cube. So already in the 9th question, the identity is given x cube plus y cube equal to x plus y into x squared minus xy plus y squared. So you have to apply that identity, right, and solve it. Factorize 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. Apply the appropriate identity. Alright. So the remaining questions are also pretty straightforward, where you have to apply the identities and solve it, right? This requires little practice. Although I am saying in a one-liner that apply the identity and solve it, unless you have some practice, right, of solving this, you will not get the accuracy. Okay, so you try solving all these problems, probably a couple of times, and I am very sure that you will be able to solve it. You will find it easy to solve. If you have any doubts, you can always write back to us. By now, you know by heart the email ID to which you should send us emails, right? With this, we come to the conclusion of polynomials. We will get going with coordinate geometry next. If you have any feedback, you can always send us an email with your feedback. If you want any type of help, okay, you suggest right, what we could do to serve you better. Accordingly, we are willing to consider your suggestions and make sure that these videos are much more beneficial and you are able to follow these videos without much difficulty. Right, if you want the test, as I said, that covers number system and polynomials, we have test papers, totally 5 test papers. So you can buy 5 test papers for just 50 rupees. If you are interested, you can send us an email. We will respond back to you with the details of the account, etc. So you could basically send us the money through Google Pay or any other UPIs that you may be using. You can also alternatively put your comment into the video, and we will respond back to you with all the details that you require. Okay. So with this, we conclude polynomials. I wish that you guys you guys have a happy learning, and all of you progress, all of you score good marks, right? Your confidence level should go up. I should see all of you on top of the world, and I should see all of you becoming successful in your endeavors. Okay. So thank you very much. May God bless you. And we will see in the next set of videos, and we will cover the next chapters. Okay, thank you very much.